Hi, my name is Mary and I've just completed the Laboratory Skills and Biotechnology Bootcamp here at Alderley Park with BioGrad Education. Well, the Skills Bootcamp here has been really wonderful. It's been very informative, very educational. I've been able to learn a lot of things, both technical and theoretical. They've been able to take me through all the scientists that I've worked or that are working here. Have been able to take me through step by step. Honestly, leaving here, it's like I could actually go teach some other people. That's how good it's been here. So a highlight for me in the boot camp has been the techniques that they've taught us. Particularly, you can actually see my hands moving now. The pipetting, it's been really good. Pipetting, you do a lot of this work, and I've been able to learn a lot about that technique, the ELISA, the PCR, mostly the pipetting. We'll go back to the pipetting. I really did enjoy doing that. It's very soothing, very calming. So I would say the lab work has been really nice for me here. It's one of my key moments. The practical skills I learned here, I feel, are going to be very important because I really want to work in a lab space, like a lab assistant role. So getting that practical skill, it's going to really boost my career. It's going to really boost my image in the scientific world or in my career. With each day going on or going by, I could see myself getting better in that. And with how comfortable I was getting in that, I felt more comfortable or confident in the results that I was getting, and it speaks for itself, saying the pipetting, me getting more confidence in the pipetting made me or makes me more confident in all the other techniques. And it's that confidence you need as a scientist when you're working in this, because one of the things I've learned in this with the scientist, you never have anything wrong. Everything is always right. You just have to be confident and comfortable in explaining or in speaking. I think with me getting comfortable in the pipetting, it just gave me that right mindset that, okay, everything else you're doing is right. Everything else you're doing, you're confident enough to talk about it.